Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Harrow Council Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Harrow Council Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in myaccount.harrow.gov.uk and make a search. You will end up on the sign-in page of Harrow's account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Harrow Council Tax account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on I have forgotten my password option. This is how you can log into your Harrow Council Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.